Good morning, students. In this week, we will revise Economics Chapter 1, the story of village Palampur. Actually, Palampur is an imaginary village. Through example of that village, purpose of chapter is to discuss the factors of production. Farming is main production activity in village Palampur, and other production activities referred to as non-farm activities like some are small manufacturers, some are busy in transportation, some are shopkeepers. So these are other non-farming activities in village Palampur. So every production activity is organized by combining four factors of production. Those are land, labor, physical capital and human capital. First factor of production is land. Land is fixed factor of production. So if we want to increase the production, we cannot increase land actually, but we can use other methods through which cultivation is increased on that land. Second factor of production is labor. So for every work, some skilled laborers are required and some unskilled laborers are required for any production activity. Third factor of production is capital. Capital is of two types. One is fixed capital and second is working capital. Fixed capital means tools, machines, buildings that we use and they are still with us. Working capital means things that we use and those things finished after production, like raw material, money. If we use them, they will finish at some level. Fourth and most important from all the factors of production is human capital, means human being or entrepreneur that uses all the other factors of production in the process. As you know, land is a natural resource and it is necessary to be very careful in its use. In many areas, green revolution brought some changes like loss of fertility in soil, increased use of chemical fertilizer, continuous use of groundwater. That caused many problems. Environment also spoiled with the production activities. So we must take care of environment to ensure future development of. Next topic is sale of surplus farm products. Farmers produce crops on their land by using three factors of production: land, labor and capital. They retain a part of produce for self-consumption and rest of the crops they sold in the market. The crops that is sold in market are called marketable surplus. Small farmers have a little surplus and medium and large farmers have a substantial or large amount of their produce to sell in the market. Non-farm activities are out of every 100 workers in rural area, only 24 are engaged in non-farm activities. Those are other than farm activities. Like some do dairy farming, some do shopkeeping. Those are non-farm activities. And small scale manufacturing, transport also are under non-farm activity. These are in village Palampur and as well as these are also seen in other villages.